Hi, this is Norm from the Bench It Block Battery. I'm just going to show you right now, if you just received a DIT-1400, how we package it so that it can be shipped and how to assemble it so that it can be used. So this is the case right here. Two latches, opens up, and you can pull out the carriage out of the inside of the battery. I'll move that out of the way. Now 16 cartridges. I'm going to unscrew 8 screws basically and set those aside for a moment. Now the cartridges, when we install them, they can only go in one way, so you don't have to worry about putting them in backwards. You just have to make sure that they're fully seated when you put it back together. So just bear with me a moment here as I get these opened up. So two screws on each side. This is all explained in the manual. So if you have any questions, you can refer to the user manual that comes with the product. Once you have that off, you can lift the side with the plastic cups off. And now we're just going to insert the 16 cartridges. Keep in mind that they can only go in one way, so plug them so that they're all inserted fully. The tricky part really is once we get them all inserted, putting the plastic carriage back on top of the cage here. So this part is pretty easy and pretty quick. And you can make sure that your system is actually turned off when you're putting them in, just so you don't hear clicking and power turning on before it's ready. And I've got the last one in. Now what we're going to do is, you can see that there is an angled part to this side, and it goes on the same side as the other angled part. And you just have to kind of wiggle this around a little bit until all the plastic cups align with the cartridges. Once it does align, it will slide on easier. Like I said, this is the trickier part of the whole process. There's usually one cartridge that's holding things up. There we go. So now you just push it down firmly. Replace these 8 screws. Now you can turn on your system. You will see the sign on screen come on as it is here. At this point, drop the whole carriage back inside the Pelican case, and you're ready to use.